to create a movie on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Gallery App. After click on Gallery App, click on Folder. After click on Folder, click on this three dot icon and click on Select. So you will select pictures from here. After select pictures, click on Create. And after click on Create, click on Movie. So and click on Create and click on Movie. You will see. So if you want to add typing, you will add typing from here. After add typing, click. So you will see. If you will set if you want to add emojis, and you will see. And if you want to add sound, so you will see. Click on done and click on done. You will see. You will see. Click on save movie. After click on save movie, your movie is saved. So that's how you can create a movie on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.